Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, so last class we discussed activation steps and defined BP roles. We defined our own BP roles. You can also define, you can also use standard, but here, practice purpose, everyone try to define your own account, your own BP roles. Okay. Next, we discussed number ranges and groupings. Groupings, we have to do this now. Okay, so BP number ranges. So if you want same number, try to define same number which you defined in customer master. Try to define the same number in here also. But if same number is not available here, and go for different number, not an issue. Practice purpose. It is up to you. So try to configure same number. If that is not available, then we cannot do anything. Then you have to define your own number. Okay. Now, in our case, we have same number. What is the number range we defined? H5. H5. What is the number from number and to number?
2009.
200901, 200920.
200901. If it is same number, tell me external check or uncheck.
Yes, sir.
Check.
External is check. Okay. If it is same number, external is checked. Next. What is the path for this?
SPRO, cross application component.
Okay. So path for this number ranges and groupings, SPRO, cross application components. SPRO, cross application components. SAP business partner. In that business partner, basic settings, number ranges and groupings, number ranges and groupings, define number ranges. Go to change intervals and define your own number ranges. And before that, you can see free intervals. Go to interval, click on free intervals. according to these free intervals. Take this into Excel and try to give your own number range. Okay. So in our case, it is H5. We are using same number, H5, 2000901 to 2000920, and check external. And we created 10 customers, and we have another 10 numbers available. Uh, Try to have some numbers available because we practice it in S4 and also same number range. We have to practice it in S4 and also. So that is the reason everyone take 100 numbers gap and try to create some 20 customers. Remaining you have 80 customers available, 80 numbers available for S4 HANA. We can practice there. But I have taken only 20. Okay. So this is how we define number ranges for BP.
Sir, hello.
Yes.
Sir, suppose in ECC, suppose we have 10 account group, and in that 10 account group, we have suppose 100 customers. So in while doing that while doing this migration process, we have to define 10 account group in here also in BP.
Yes, yes. Not account groups, groupings. We call BP groupings.
Yeah, BP
We have
grouping,
to
and we have to
create 10
define
groupings.
10 number range also, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, sir. Thank
See, if all 10 account groups is having same number range, then no need to define 10 number ranges here. See, that is the reason you have to prepare this first, this Excel. This Excel will give you everything. According to this Excel, you configure number ranges and groupings, BP groupings here. Who is asking this doubt? So it all depends
you.
on this. It all
Okay, sir.
depends
Okay,
on
got
this. So I cannot tell you that you have to define 10 number. It all depends on here. As per your information which you gathered, according to that, you have to define, you have to configure the remaining groupings and number ranges. If you said 10 account groups, if 10 account groups is having same number range, then no need to define 10 number ranges here. Define only one number range. If 10 account groups is having 10 different number ranges, then here you need to define 10 number ranges like that. Okay. But in BP number ranges is available, total available in your practice, in your real-time system. You can define any number range, but here practice purpose, people are using that. But in real time, all numbers will be available. In BP number ranges, all numbers will be available in real time. Okay. So here we define number range. Tell me what is our number range here in BP?
Five.
H5 from number 2000901 to number 2000920. External check or blank.
external check, sir.
External check. Maintain this. We maintain normally in Excel simultaneously. So maintain this in Excel. H5 2000901 2000920 external check. Okay. Next.
Not audible, sir.
So in your Excel, update this. Next. So it all depends on how many number ranges you have in ACC. If you have 10 number ranges, here also we define 10 number ranges for in BP configurations. It all depends on your number ranges in ECC. As per Excel, you will come to know. According to that, you have to define. So just initially, we are just doing one simple migration. Later, we see multiple account groups, multiple number ranges. That is second level. Initially, this is just simple one account group, one number range. So it is a simple configuration we are doing. So we just define this H5, same number. So if it is same number, external check in BP. Okay, next, make a note. Go back, define groupings and assign number ranges. Define groupings and assign number ranges. See, groupings will come according to number range. If 10 account groups is having one number range, then we can have only one group, one grouping. No need to define 10 groupings. It all depends on the number ranges. You can simplify here. In ECC, they define 10 number ranges, sorry, 10 account groups, but number range is same. 10 account groups they defined because of uh, controlling the fields, because some account groups you have some fields mandatory, some account groups you have some fields mandatory, like that. So it all depends on the account group, sorry, number ranges. So you can simplify here. You can have 10 account groups. If you have number range only one, you can define only one groupings. But if number is different, then you have to define 10 groupings here also. It all depends on the number range. So here the groupings is all depends on the number range. The groupings is all depends on the number range. Totally based on number range. 10 account groups, if you have 5 different number ranges, now tell me how many groupings we do. Account groups is 10. Number ranges, we have 5 different numbers. How many groupings we do
You have
here?
to create, sir, 5 BP groupings, sir.
5 groupings. So it all depends on the number ranges. It all depends on number ranges. Remember, it all depends on the number ranges. So here we define one grouping. Go to define groupings and assign number ranges. 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 Go to new entries, mention the groupings. Our account group is H002. Mention the groupings G002, BP grouping, BP grouping. What is the number range? Tell me.
H5.
H5, sir.
H5. Enter. H5. Enter. Save it. So this is about grouping. Now update here in Excel. So every time we have to update in Excel, remember. Whatever we do, you have to update it in Excel and this external also. Okay. So we defined groupings G002 and number range H5. Okay. Go back. Next step. Go to this field groupings. Field groupings. Field groupings. Configure field attributes per BP role. Configure field attributes per BP role. Configure field attributes per BP role. Double click on configure field attributes for each role category. Double click on configure field attributes for each role category. Double click on configure field attributes for each role category. Now here we control the fields in BP. Make a note. Here we control the fields in BP. 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 That is whether to make the field mandatory. That is whether to make the field mandatory or optional. That is whether to make the field mandatory or optional or display. Or optional or display or suppress. Go to new entries, mention your BP role HHCU00 and HHCU01. Save it. See here, present in migration. Don't do anything here. Just place the BP role here. In S4HANA, we control the fields. I'll just show you how to control the fields. Suppose go to HHCU01, click on this field groupings. Now here inside you will have controls like this. Here, double click on sales data. Here you have fields there. Delivery priority, delivering plant, customer group, customer pricing procedure. You have options, hide, required, optional, display like that. We'll see later in S4HANA. But here, don't do anything here. Just place your BP role. That's it. But you have to place your BP role.
What is this 1901 2014? Where can we see them?
Sorry.
1914, 1920 fields are there in.
Field number like that. So that is not related to us.
Okay, sir. Yeah. That is particularly field number, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay. Next, go back. So this is about field groupings, but we don't do anything here in migration, pre-migration. Don't do anything here. Okay. Next. Now go to this step. I'll give you heading. 1 second. Define BP role for direction customer to BP. Define BP role for direction customer to BP.
Give me the path from starting, sir. This one.
I'll give you the path. Just take heading. Define BP role for direction customer to BP. This is the heading. Define BP role for direction customer to BP. Now take the path for this. SPRO, cross application components, SPRO cross application components. SPRO cross application components. Then master data synchronization, master data synchronization, master data synchronization, customer vendor integration, customer vendor integration, business partner settings, business partner settings, business partner settings, settings for customer integration, settings for customer integration, define BP role for direction customer to BP, define BP role for direction customer to BP, define BP role for direction customer to BP. Go to new entries and mention your account group and BP role. Go to new entries and mention your account group and BP role. Mention your account group and BP role. Go to new entries, mention your account group and BP role. Account group means customer account group. Mention your customer account group and BP role. So account group means customer account group. Grouping means BP grouping. There is a difference here. Account group means customer account group. Grouping means BP grouping. Okay. So here mention your account group and BP role. Before that, I'll show you this. We will execute a program to know whether there is any problem in configurations. Make a note. Just I'll show you. We'll get some errors there. Make a note. Execute before this step. Execute upgradation check report. 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 T code SC38 or SCA38, SC38 or SCA. Some people you don't have authorization for SC38. You can use SCA38. See here, SCA also you can use SCA38. Go to this T code program, T code SC38, SCA38, and mention this program pre-check underscore upgradation underscore report. Pre-check underscore upgradation underscore report. Mention this program. Pre-check underscore upgradation underscore report. Pre-check underscore upgradation underscore report. So mention this program name, pre-check underscore upgradation underscore report, and then execute. Everyone has to check this. Execute. 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 Now here below select this display results for current client. Select this below. There's one checkbox below display results for current client. Check that. This one. Check this. Display results for current client. Then check the above all. Check all these. Above you have check boxes. Check all these. Check all these. execute, check all the check boxes and execute. So you'll get some error here. So click on this first one, go to status. Here, click on this red symbol. First one, BP roles are assigned to account groups. Now here, cross-check whether your account group is available or not. Ours is H002, it is available, our account group. So others, it is available because there's so many people practicing here. So others, okay, but your account group should not be available here. We did not do the complete configuration, so our account group appears here. H002 customer account group is not maintained in so and so table, that is okay. So here our account group will have issue. Okay, second, this one, here go and check. Here also our account group is available, H002. Okay. So this will give you the errors related to BP configurations. It is purely related to BP configurations. Okay. Now here it will show which customers are still not yet migrated to BP. 20090 901 902. Our customers are available here. Okay. So just execute this report and see that whether means after doing all the configurations again, you have to execute this once again. Next, execute simplification item report. Execute simplification item check report. Execute simplification item check report. Same SC38 or SA38. Mention the program /SDF /RC underscore start underscore check /SDF /RC underscore start underscore check. Now execute this program name /SDF /RC underscore start underscore check. Okay, next. Execute. Now select this new select new relevance check in online mode. and execute and execute. Execute. It will take some time. And click on this check consistency for all. Click on this check consistency for all inside. Check consistency for all. Now here you will have some errors. So any error here, if it is greater than 7, then you have to solve that error. Any error here, make a note. In consistency check report, or we also call item check report. In consistency check report, or item check report, inconsistency check report or item check report. If you have error, greater than, if you have error with we call return code greater than 7. If you have error with return code greater than 7, if you have error with the return code greater than 7, if you have return code greater than 7, then that error should be solved. Then that error should be solved. Then that error should be solved. Otherwise, system will not allow to do technical migration. Sorry, otherwise system will not allow to do allow to complete pre-migration. Otherwise, system will not allow to complete pre-migration. Otherwise, system will not allow to do.
So in our case, error count is 3. That means red symbols are 3. If it is more than a red symbol 7 or 8, we need to solve it, right, sir?
Sorry.
The written code, you said error greater than 7 means in our case in this screen we are seeing error code is error like error 3 errors are 3 we are facing. Like that we are facing 7 or 8 errors, we need to solve it. That's what you are saying.
No. Here return code is 12. Here
Oh,
you will have number for every error. Return code. Here it is 12. 12 means greater than 7. So you have to solve it.
okay. Yes.
This one, return code.
Okay.
Okay. So this error particularly, this is CVI mapping error. Return code is 12. some of the customers or vendors not mapped kindly, not vendor numbers are not mapped, means not migrated. Okay. Next. So here we check every error, what is the return code. Here we have one error, and for that error return code is 12, so we have to solve this error like that. Okay, so we have to check these two reports. Okay, next, go back to this configuration step which we are discussing. What is the heading? Define BP role for direction customer to BP. Define BP role for direction customer to BP. Define BP role for
Hello, sir.
direction
Hello.
customer to BP. Yes.
Sir, this return code 12 is related to which error? How can we come to know in that report? It is showing only the 12.
No, it will show the error also. If you go inside, execute, it will show that what is the error. That also it will show which module it belongs to. That also it will show. See here, if we check consistency for all, if you go inside, it will show that what is the problem, and if you expand, it will show clearly what is the issue. See here, expand this error. It is master data error BP related. That means SD or MM related. If you expand that return code, it will show 12, and expand it CVI mapping. CVI means customer vendor integration, and it is showing some of the customers or vendors are not mapped, means not migrated to BP like that. So error will show you what is the problem. Okay. Next, go back to the configuration. Define BP role for direction customer to BP.
How we know that error it belongs to my error or it's like a normal common error?
Master data means SD or MM.
Yeah, next my account group
Master
or
data
I can understand or
that you come to know in upgradation report.
okay.
So in real time, it is not whether your account group or others account group. You have to solve all real time.
Yeah.
Here practice purpose, okay, but real time, there's nothing like other account. You are the SD consultant, you have to solve. If it is MM related, MM consultant will solve it. Vendor related, customer related, you have to solve it. Okay. But that
Okay.
account group information, you will get it in upgradation report. Define BP role for direction customer to BP. Go to new entries, mention your account group. See, group means sometimes you have a doubt whether it is a BP grouping or account group. You can press F1. It will show you clearly customer account group like that. If you have doubt, press F1. If you have doubt here, press F1. Okay. Account group. What is our account group? H002. BP role HHCU00. Next H002. HHCU01. 01. Save it. 1 second. Okay, save it. Save it. Mention your account group, BP role, save it. Mention your account group, BP role, save it. So if you have 10 account groups, you have to mention all 10 account groups and assign your role. You will have two roles. Okay. Go back. Next, go to this path. Field assignment for customer integration. Field assignment for customer integration. Assign keys. Field assignment for customer integration. Assign keys. Assign keys. Now take this heading. Define number assignment for direction customer to BP. 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 Go to new entries. See, first one is account group. Second one is grouping. See here, first one is account group. Second one is grouping. Now mention your account group H002. Mention your grouping. What is your grouping?
002, sir. G002.
G002. And is it number, same number in our case?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So check the same number. If number is different, then don't check this. Check same number. Check same number. Check same number. Save it. You will get some errors related to something BBB. What is it? BBP1. You can delete that if you have any error. Okay. Now go to new entries. H002, G002. Check same number. An entry already exists. H002, G002. Check same number and save it. Okay. So this is the basic configurations. We have other configurations also that we'll discuss next. But first we'll see one result. We migrate all our customers to BP. So we have errors. We'll get errors, so that we'll discuss next. But once we see everyone try to practice this and see the result, migrate all your customers to BP. Migrate all your customers to BP. Okay. So after this step, make a note. Now heading migrate customers to BP. T code migrate customers to BP. T code MDS MDS underscore load underscore cockpit. 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 So double click on customer BP business partner. Double click on customer BP combination, third one. Double click on customer BP combination, third one. Okay. Go to right side, drag this. Right side, scroll down. Right side, scroll down. Here, mention the customer. Actually, we do account group, but I'll show you multiple times. So I'll do one by one customer. Later, I'll show account group, total account group. In real time, we do account group wise. We select account group here, and we mention the account group, and one by one account group, we migrate all the customers and check the tables whether it is matching or not. So account group, we go and check account group, how many customers in that account group, suppose 10 customers. Then we check BUT 000 table. I'll show you. There we check how many BPs we created, how many BPs migrated 10. So matching, okay, like that. Account group wise, we do that. Account group wise. Okay, next, see here. Here, take customer initially. Select customer. Select I. Specified values. Include or select specified values. Mention the customer. Select include I. Select specified values. Mention single value. EQ equal single value. And mention the customer number. 200904. You can give any customer number. 200904. Not only sequence, you can give any number. 200904. Okay, mention this customer number and execute. Mention the customer number and execute. Mention the customer number and execute. So I'm migrating only one customer to BP. Present. Execute. Now after execute, go to monitor. Here right side. Go to monitor tab. After execute, go to monitor tab. Click on queue. Click on queue. Register and activate queue in real time. First time we have to do this. Register and activate queue. Sorry, select the line. Select your line. Then queue, register and activate queue. Okay. Now in my case, it is success. Now go and check tables like Excel. You have to update this. Total, how many customers we have in our account group? Tell me.
Total 20, created 10 only.
How many customers we already have? That is what I am asking. What is total 20? How many customers we created? We have
10.
10. See here. How you get this? Go to SC16. SC16. KNA1. Mention your account group. What is our account group? H002 and number of entries. H002. How many customers? 10. Like that. So that we maintain here. KNA1 entries 10. Now here H002 KNA1 10. Now BUT triple zero. How many? BUT triple zero is the table for BP. BUT triple zero. Mention your BP grouping. BU underscore group means BP grouping. What is our BP grouping?
G00.
G002. Here number of entries. How many? Now here BUT triple zero we have one entry, means one customer migrated to BP. And check here also one more table, CVI link table. So here present we have one entry. Check this CVI link table also. Go to SC16, CVI underscore cust underscore link. Take this table. Check in both the table BUT 000 and this CVI underscore cust underscore link. But here we cannot check exactly group wise, account group wise. You can check customer wise. Sorry, what is that? What is the customer number? 200904. Execute. Okay, you have this customer in link table. So link table you cannot see account group wise because here there is no account group field or grouping field here. Okay. Or you can see your user wise ROOT. Root means I'll get many entries, previous one. But you have new user ID. You can give user ID here. Your user ID. You can check like that. You can give your user ID. Because yours is new user ID. Now you will get only those which are updated with your user ID. You can check like this. Okay. So present. Now you can go and check BP/N BP. Make a note. BPT code is /N BP. Mention your BP 200904. Mention your BP here. Enter. Then double click on this. Double click on this. You can see right side. Mention your HHCU00. Mention your BP role. HHCU00. And see company code data, general data.
What we need to double click?
Here. Mention the customer number here, and below you will get that. Double click on below customer number, BP number.
Sir, we
Here,
have not did this technical migration. Then how it that customer convert to BP?
so that is what the main role in pre-migration. Pre-migration main role is you have to convert all your customers and vendors to BP. That is what the main job of pre-migration. If you convert all your customers and vendors to BP, then only technical migration is possible.
So, sir, we will do pre-migration in ECC. So, in ECC, after doing this configuration, so can we execute the T code VP in ECC?
Yeah, BP you can execute because
Okay, okay.
basis will apply SAP notes. Basis will
Okay.
apply SAP notes. So you can see the T code BP here in pre-migration. After migration, we can cross-check everything in this T code BP. Okay. Now, so we migrated one customer to BP. Now let me migrate remaining all customers through account group. So tell me what is the T code?
MDS underscore load underscore cockpit.
MDS underscore load underscore cockpit. Go to this T code. Then what I need to do?
Double click on customer and business partner.
Double click on customer and business partner. Okay.
Drag to
Then
right, scroll down.
scroll down. Now I'm doing total. I cannot do it. I cannot show you next time. So everyone please concentrate. Here, mention the account group. Normally in real time we use account group only. Mention the account group. Select specified values here and equal single value, equal single value, equal single value, and mention the account group. Mention your account group. What is our account group?
H002.
H002. Mention your account group. H002 and execute. So I cannot do this once again because I'm doing for all customers, all my customers created in H002 account group. Okay, execute. Then go to monitor. Go to monitor and check here. You will get your user ID here. Your user ID, the process, whether it is success or fail, you can cross check that. Okay. Now in my case, it is success. No need to do again. Register and activate. Only first time we do that. Okay. Now go and check SC38. Sorry, SC16. Go and check SC16. Go and check SC16. KNA1, we know. We already checked how many customers you have in this account group. 10 customers. This okay. Now go back. BUT 000. Mention your grouping. G002. How many BPs? Now you'll have 10. Now you will have 10 BPs. Okay. Go and check CBI link. CBI underscore cust underscore link. Mention your user ID and check. You will get the equal same entries like that. Okay. So go and check BP and check all your customers. BP, I'll check first customer. 200901. Enter. Double click on this BP. So here BP and below you can see customer also same number. This is BP number above and below you can see customer also same number 200901. You can see the company code like that. Now manually cross check all your customers. 902, 903, 904 is already done. 905, 906, 907, 908, 909, 910, something like that. So check all your customers in BP transaction. Okay. So present we migrated all our customers to BP. Now go and check upgradation report SC38 pre-check underscore upgradation underscore report. Now my account group will not come. My account, you will have errors because other account groups are still not configured. Till everyone configures, it will show the errors. But the only thing is my account group will not appear here. You can see here. There is no H. There is no H002 here. And so take the second one also. There is no H002 here. Okay. So make sure that your account group is not there here. And your customers. Go to the third one here. Click on this last error, third one. And here your customers should not appear. 200,901 not there. 901 to 910 it is not there here. Like that. Okay.
So, sir, we will check this report after migrating all customer and vendors to BP, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, fine, sir. Thank you.
Means
Sir,
we execute this 2 times before starting migration. We check whether errors are there or not. And after migration also we'll cross check this again. Yes.
sir, once it is converted to BP, it should be available in our BP role only, right?
Yes, yes.
But it seems there are other BP roles as well. Can we see that, sir? Once.
If you go to BP, see you will get yours HHCU00, HHCU01, and this is ours HHCOMPX. We did one for complete. Okay. So you're getting extra this one.
Correct.
That is okay. That is okay.
I mean, for every
If you
time we
don't
will
want
get
that,
all these roles as
if you don't want, we'll have one configuration step that I'll show you. If you
Okay.
don't want others, I'll show you that how to hide this. Okay.
Okay.
But you will get yours. Okay. Okay. So everyone practice this. Remaining what errors you will get in migration, and this is basic level. Next we do with multiple account groups, multiple number ranges, that configurations we'll do next, and errors also, what kind of errors you will get, and related to contact person also we'll discuss. We'll discuss different scenarios now: ship to party, sold to party, bill to party, payer, how you migrate, all those scenarios we do. Okay. So everyone do this. This is a basic level. After the class, try to complete this practice and try to migrate your customers to BP. And any error, try to post it in the group. Thank you.
Sir,